So we're gonna do the cube battles from last year's last video's cube ratings. We have the Tornado V3 with the GAN 11. We have the Moyu RS3M with the GAN 13. Yep, I was correct. So we're gonna do this one first and then this one. So we're gonna heat that away. And then we're gonna start with these two. So let's start with the Moyu RS3M, shall we? Moyu RS3M. $21. Here's proof. 21.799. Okay, time for the GAN 13. $23.906. So Moyu RS3M wins. Sorry, GAN 13 fans, but this thing is eliminated. So this is gonna go to the finals. Now we have Tornado V3 main versus GAN 11M Pro. First one, shall we start with the GAN 11M Pro, shall we? So, what? 27. Okay, now it's time for the Tornado V3 main. Ooh, I could do this. $26. Sorry, GAN 11M Pro fans, but the GAN 11 Pro is eliminated. Now it's the final round with Tornado V3 main and the Moyu RS3M. So we're going to start with the first winner, Moyu RS3M. For some reason, all the GANs got eliminated, so yeah. This thing's giving me so much luck. 45.159. $18. 18.437. Sorry, Moyu RS3 fans, but the Tornado V3 main wins. So that means it's my new main. Hooray! So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and watch this video. Bye!